So I'll be showing you how to mute the workout broadcasts on your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. Now you can do this during a workout. So for instance, if you're in an active workout, let me find an active workout like this one. So you could be in a workout like this. So what you need to do is just press the crown. That's going to pause the workout. And then you can tap on this speaker icon at the top there. And then to mute, drag the volume all the way to 0. And that's going to mute the workout broadcast. And then once you do that, you can now press the crown and proceed with your workout. Now, you can also do this as a default. If you don't want to be doing this during every workout, you can simply go to the main menu by pressing the crown once and then go to settings. On the main settings page, you can scroll down and find sounds and vibration. Tap on that. And then under sounds and vibration, you should see workout broadcasts. Tap on that. And then this is where you can also adjust the volume. So to mute, just simply drag the volume all the way to 0. And that's going to mute all your workout broadcasts. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.